Hello everyone. I, Bonika Hajra, lecturer in Aryan College of Arts, Commerce and Science Camp. Today I am going to explain you about factors affecting working capital requirement. Meaning of working capital. Working capital mean the amount of current assets like cash equivalent, raw material, prepaid expenses, inventory, etc., which a business firm has to maintain for its day-to-day business activities, like for example, purchasing of raw material, paying wages to the workers, etc. Factors affecting working capital requirement. Nature of business. Firm engaged in manufacturing essential product of daily consumption will need relatively less working capital as there will be constant and sufficient cash inflow in the firm to take care of liabilities. Likewise, public utility concerns provide services such as transport, LPG gas, electricity, etc. have to maintain small working capital because of continuous flow of cash from their consumer. Size of business. The size of business also affect the requirement of working capital. A firm with a large scale operation will require more working capital. Third point, volume of sale. This is the most important factor affecting the size of working capital. The volume of sale and the size of working capital are directly related to each other. If the volume of sale is increased, then there is an increase in the amount of working capital. Fourth point, production cycle. The process of converting raw material into finished good is called production cycle. If the period of production cycle is longer, then the firm need more amount of working capital. If manufacturing cycle is shorter, it require less amount of working capital. Like for example, production cycle of window manufacturing enterprise would be shorter than the automobile manufacturers. Business cycle. When there is boom mean high in economic activity, sales will increase. This will lead to increase in investment in stock. This required additional working capital. If manufacturing cycle is short, then it will require less amount of working capital. During recession, sale will decline and the need of working capital will also decline. The term of purchases and sales. If the firm does not get credit facilities for purchases but adopts liberal credit policy for its sales, then it required more working capital. On the other hand, if credit terms of purchases are favorable and term of credit sales are less liberal, then requirement of cash will be less. Then the working capital requirement will be reduced. Credit control. Credit control includes the factors such as volume of credit sales, the term of credit sales, the collection policy, etc. If the credit policy is sound, it is possible for the company to improve its cash flow. If credit policy is liberal, it creates a problem of collection of funds. It can increase possibility of bad debts. Therefore, a firm requires more working capital. The firm make cash sale requires less working capital. Growth and expansion. The working capital requirement of firm will increase with the growth of a firm. A growing company needs funds continuously to support large scale operation. Management ability. The requirement of working capital is reduced if proper coordination between production and distribution of good. A firm stocking on heavy inventory calls for higher level for working capital. Next point, external factors. If financial institute and bank provide funds to the firm as and it required, the need for working capital will reduce. Thank you.